the hell was that?
Got another shot on me, I like to get it poppin', but these bitches in my business call me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but
What is going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I'm going out today. It's a cute little summer day. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm going out with the family. So I want to do my makeup and bust it up with y'all real quick while I do my makeup. Put my hair back just a little bit. But yeah, boo. So I'm about to be getting into it or whatever. To be honest, I didn't really have nothing planned to talk about because I was going to wait to do my video. But I was saying to myself, shoot, since I'm about to go out, I'm about to just bust it up with my booze real quick while I go out. Okay, and see what's going on with y'all or whatever, what y'all been going on, what y'all been doing, because, honey, I have been chilling. You know how you just be having that day, like I just want to go outside and just like enjoy the nice day. I really don't want to do too much makeup today because, to be quite honest or whatever like that, I don't really like doing a lot of makeup when it's the summertime, because you know I just feel like less be like so much more on the face or whatever like that. So I really just want to just do not so much, but you know. So I'm basically just taking some blush and I'm just going to like rub it like around like my eye area and like around my cheek. And you see how it's just like giving me like this flesh tone. Like that's what I kind of like want to go for, because I feel like in the summertime you don't really need to do too much. I have been liking like the overly brushed, like all over the cheek, all over the face vibe. So I even be going like this, like just bringing it all the way around. But yeah, I'm gonna fill that in before I put on anything else. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, I'm looking for my oh, I just want to touch up some little spots. I got some little spots or whatever. So when I tell you I try to be so less with foundation and stuff, I really do. Like I really don't be wanting to do too much. And since I've never been a really hardcore makeup girl anyway, it's like I'll be definitely trying to give like less is more kind of thing. You feel what I'm saying? Like, cause look, like just right now, I'm naturally it girl. What is you saying? Okay. But yeah, I just want to do this real quick. I'm going to definitely hide these dark circles. So we want to take a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury and just hide those circles, baby. Just hide. Get them up out of here. You don't need to be letting everybody know my business. Yeah, I've really been on some like clean, just very, let's be so much more. And I'm just blending the edges. I'm not blending in my inner corners yet. I'm gonna let that sit for a minute, let that dry down just a little bit. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to do, matter of fact, let me just get my brows out the way. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I think I bought a too dark brow or whatever like that. So when I feel like they're gonna be too dark, I try to fill them in as light as possible. I love me a samurai brow, I can't get enough of it. And I just feel like natural, because I don't even have brows anyway, to be for real. I don't even have none. Look. Now I did this one samurai, and I did this one kind of like, I think I'm getting a samurai. Sorry baby. Well, I'm gonna just dry this off. Let me tell you something. Brows used to be so hard for me. Now it's like, oh, all I'm doing is drawing. But you know what? My kid keep telling me, Mom, you can draw, Mom, you can draw. I still don't believe that I could draw. Like, not like them portraits and, you know, like I ain't doing all that. My kids is really like talented on the com. They be so calm with it, but I got little geniuses, little genius kids. My kids. What I need to, what we need to talk about real quick. I ain't really got a lot to say today because I'm really like on my way out or whatever. But other than that, I just been working, chilling. You know what I'm saying? Being focused as always. I need to shave my eyebrows though because my thing is peeking through. And these are the only 2 brushes that I use. That's another thing. Like in the summertime, I barely be using like a bunch of brushes on my face. Like, let me, I want to put this on my lip. I should have been put this on my lip, but this can dry while I bake. I love this too. Like, I remember when I first put it on, I was a little nervous, like it didn't give what I wanted it to give. But now I know, like, number one, you gotta leave it on. I know I probably put this on a hot mess, I'm sorry. Okay. And I'm noticing too, like, when I really want to be beat, of course, yes, I do, you know, drag it to the end. But when I'm just trying to give natural, and I'm going to take a smidget, like a drop. This is all I put on my face. No lie. And I take my brush, this brush right here, and I rub that all over, just like that, around. Just like that. I wanted to also take y'all with me too while I go out, because my family, we are so funny. Like, they be having me crack up. So I wanted to take y'all out with me as well. Let's go get something to eat together after I do my makeup. It's so crazy. Like, it's giving like I'm still beat, but I barely put nothing really on my face. Like, no lie. Like, you've been here with me. You see the drop. I still got a little bit left over from the foundation. Like, I really be on some chill baby, chill baby. Yeah. All right, now I know y'all probably like, girl, when is you going contour? I'm about to contour, okay? I usually contour first, and then sometimes I contour last. It all depends. But I'm about to contour, boo. Don't worry about it, okay? Since I ain't doing nothing, I'm gonna take that same brush, and you only need a little bit. I only need a little bit for the contour, so I'm just going to stamp here and just keep going back and forth like this. I don't want too much. I don't want too much. Just kind of giving very natural. Like that. I do gotta do a nose brush. I'm gonna contour my nose. I like the angle. Take my concealer, my contour, and put it in my crease and blush it out like this. That's why I like the angle. I take it and then I go just like that. Cause I don't really like to even do like shadow and all that. Like, that ain't me. Like, no. I mean, do you really be feeling like putting a bunch of makeup on in the summertime? Like, let's keep it real. Let's keep it a bean. No, you don't, okay? Cause I know I damn sure don't. I'm going to use a mixture of the Huda Beauty birthday cake, this, and I'm going to use some Laura Mercier. I'm gonna tap into that and oh, hold on, wait, before I do that, use this. Cause I don't know, but I am hooked on using like a brush or whatever. I will definitely use a brush fast, quick, hurry. Like, that's just what I do. I don't know why, but I think that's just what I be doing. And it's crazy because I don't understand why I do it, but I am going to do a little liner on my eyes. Take the Charlotte Tilbury, and I'm going to dust this off. Give me a nice look. Okay. Putting on blush. Put some foundation. Oh yeah, I just need real quick. I'm just gonna still use this same joint and just always lay whatever wet you got on. Make sure you lay it with a powder. So that's just what I'm doing right now. And I don't know y'all what's the highlight for the summer, but for me it's gonna always be Diamond Bomb. I love you, Riri. I love you. Say no, but I do. I love her. But I'm just saying. Here come my husband. Look, he right like, what she need to come on.
I ain't coming back.
No, I'm just saying that I would just know you was wondering where I'm at. I'm almost done. There we go. I'm still gonna touch it up with a pencil. I don't know about you, but that's looking good to me. Let me spray. Again, it's the summertime. Do we put on lashes? No. Okay, we do not be putting on lashes in the summertime. Our lashes is MAC right now. I'm not gonna lie, but this MAC stack be stacking. You dig? What the hell was that? Oh, child. Did y'all see what that was? Oh my God, I'm gonna have to slow-mo that. What the hell was that? I just also feel like, I love, lashes, long lashes too, especially when I'm going places, but I really love my own lashes. I told you I've just been giving clear gloss. My husband gonna tell me it don't look like I be spraying my face. I said, I do be feeling it. It might not look like I'm spraying my face, but I be spraying my face. Like, what is you talking about? So, yeah, boo, this is the makeup. I had to do a thumbnail real quick. But this is the makeup real quick. So I'm about to get dressed and we about to do some lunch together. So come on, chill with me. The fries just came, y'all.
Bon appetit.
Look at my kid. My wine came too. Yes, yes, yes. How's the fries soon? It's good. Alright, I'm gonna try a fry, y'all. We got seasoned Parmesan fries and we have regular fries.
Sumi, stop. Wipe your hands first. You protect the stuff.
Sumi, look.
Already did mine.
Stick it on. Got it?
No, all of them in black.
I love Buchin fries and they wings, like the wings that we about to get. They be so hot, but they be so good. Do you hear me? These are the wings that we come here for, baby.
Which one is hot? Which one is just a spicy Korean matcha?
Okay, thank you.
Can I have another one?
This wing right here is so freaking hot, but they are so good.
best. If you're in Philly, you gotta come to Bucci and get they hot chicken. Like they sticky like chicken, the hot kind, so good.
Alright, we just got done eating, so now we're getting some desserts. Oh, yeah, so these.
Well, they have mango smoothies.
Look good, right?
They have mango smoothies. They have mango sundaes.
So, I'm gonna get something real cute, real chill, real simple. I'm feeling nice for my wine.
I got the.
I usually like to come here and just get like a tea because I like tea. I don't do like their desserts and stuff like that because I'm more like a cookies and cream kind of girl. Like, you know what I mean? Or water ice, mango, water ice, pretzel. I'm from the bottom. We keep it real simple. We don't do all this extra. This is for the kids. Yumi said this is demure and classy.
I don't know. I'm trying to look at the
But yeah, so I'll probably just get me a mango green tea. I know this is dessert. Good. How it taste? Everybody got their food. I'm still waiting for my tea.
Oh.
So this is my tea, guys, and it's so cute because my tea, it comes with a cup, and then all I have to do is, oh, it's dripping. There we go. It's a little hot, but yes, that's what I wanted. I wanted some hot tea.
We offer some honey.
Alright, boo, so we are done for today. I put my tea in a to-go thing. My hair is looking a hot mess. It is hot, but I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first. And for scripture, I don't have a scripture right now for y'all, but I want y'all to make sure y'all read Psalms 91. Psalms 91 is something that I read all the time, so I just want y'all to make sure y'all read Psalms 91. Yeah, I just want y'all to read Psalms 91. It's a protection prayer. So since I wasn't able to give y'all one, I want y'all to read it. I did read it in the thing, so maybe I could put it in, but I don't know. But I just want to let you know, boo, I love you guys so much. Y'all want to see the look? This is the look, child. This is. Make sure y'all follow my Instagram too, so y'all can see all the cute little pictures that I post. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I'm gonna see you, my boo, in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.